Good morning, sir. My name is Bhupendra Padalak. I am from Daipur in MP. Today my topic is polynomial. So what is polynomial? Polynomial is algebraic expression in terms of variables is x and y. That is known as polynomial. Polynomial is algebraic expression. So there are many types of polynomials we have, just like constant polynomial. So in constant polynomial, as you can see over there, numbers and digits are present. We are taking numbers and digits in constant polynomial. Constant polynomials, value can't change. So these are the example of constant polynomial. As you can see, 0, 1, 2, 23, 25. Okay, the degree of 0 is not defined. It is not defined. Okay, after that, monomial. So in monomial, we are taking polynomial in one terms. That's why it is known as monomial. As you can see, ax, bx, x, y. These are the example of monomial. Here x are x and y. These are variable, and ab are constant. After that, linear polynomial. So what is linear polynomial? Here x plus b, cx plus d. This is example of linear polynomial. Here a, b, c, d are constant and x is variable. Here we can see variable's highest power is 1. That's why it is known as linear polynomial, because of power. It is known as linear polynomial. Now we are talking about quadratic polynomial. So over there you can see it is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is standard form of quadratic polynomial. Here a, b, c are constant and x is example of variable. Here you can see highest power of variable is 2. That's why it is known as quadratic polynomial. Here one more example of cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b equal to 0. This is the example of cubic polynomial. Here you can see a, b, c, d are constant. Its value cannot change. And variable's highest power, here power of x is 1, here power of x is 2, here power of x is 3. So here you can see highest power of variable is 3. That's why it is known as cubic polynomial. So there are many types of polynomials present in our syllabus. Now quadratic polynomial available in our 10th syllabus. So that's why here we will discuss about quadratic polynomial. It is standard form of quadratic polynomial. ABC is constant and x is variable. Variables value can change. It's depend on condition and what type of answer we are getting. So variables value is changed, but ABC is constant, means its value cannot change. Okay. Now here one formula is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. It is formula of discriminant. By the help of this formula, we can get idea at what type. Okay. Before that, I want to explain it. By this formula, we will get two answers of x. Two answers of x is known as roots or zeros of quadratic polynomial. So there are two types of roots we will get in that time. This is the formula of discriminant, by which formula we can get idea at what type roots we can get, or at what type roots or zeros we can get. We can get idea by this formula. If value of b will greater than 0, so at that time we will get two distinct real roots. Okay. And after that, if we get answer of b is equal to 0, so at that time we will get two equal real roots. Okay, so that time we can guess before that, before solving quadratic formula, at what type roots we will get in the end. Now if b is less than 0, so at that time roots not defined, means at that time we can say that we will not get roots. Okay. And one more formula is over there, by which we can get roots. Over there, two methods are present in 10th syllabus by which we can get roots or zeros of x. First method is splitting method, and second one is formula is over there, by which we can get idea of roots. So that formula is x is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. At what time we can get formula of this quadratic formula? At what time we can get? So for that we will take quadratic equation. quadratic equation